Hi guys! Did you know that small content creators can attract big views by implementing just a few key strategies? Join me as I take on the challenge of attracting big views as a small content creator. Do you think I can crack the code and grow my channel? Let's find out. Because in this video, you will discover effective techniques to boost your visibility and attract a larger audience even if you are just starting out. Many small content creators like me struggle to get noticed in a crowded space, leading to frustration and low view counts. It is tough to stand out when there are so many others vying for attention. I know how it feels to pour your heart and soul into creating content only to have it fall flat. The disappointment can be real, and it's easy to wonder if you'll ever break through. The struggle is real, and it's not just about creating great content, because if that were the case, we all be YouTube stars by now, but it's not. Because it's about getting your content in front of the right people at the right time. And let's be honest, it can be disheartening to see your view counts stagnate. But here's the thing, every successful creator started somewhere. They began with a single video, a single subscriber, and a single view. And they grow from there. So don't give up your channel just yet, because there are ways to boost your visibility and attract a larger audience. We will explore several actionable tips, including optimizing your titles, engaging with your audience, and leveraging social media to expand your reach. Your title is the first thing people see when they come across your video, so make it count. Use keywords that accurately describe your content and make sure it's attention grabbing. Your audience wants to feel like you're speaking directly to them. So engage with them in the comments, respond to their questions, and show them that you care. And don't underestimate the power of social media. It can be a game changer for getting your content in front of new eyes. By being genuine and reliable, you will create a loyal followers that will help drive engagement and attract new viewers. This is key to growth and will ultimately help you achieve your goal as a content creator. To wrap up, remember that attracting big views is about strategy, creativity, and connecting with your audience. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you found these tips helpful towards our journey as small content creator. Bye.